What's up guys, my name is Nettie and welcome back to the channel. Okay, I know I probably deserve all of that. I know this video is a little bit long overdue, and to be honest with you guys, I just didn't feel like uploading or being behind the camera over the past couple of weeks. On the week I was supposed to upload, I went on a little bit of vacation and I kind of got sucked up into that little bit of a break and it overextended its time, obviously. But we back, I'm feeling better, I'm feeling good. I'm gonna start giving you guys better content. We're gonna shoot for 2 videos a week now. But in order for me to do that, the videos are gonna have to be a lot shorter. So the 20-minute long videos are gonna have to start looking from 10 to 15 minutes long. That's why this video is so short. But don't stress, I'm not gonna give you guys some half-ass content. I'm still gonna be putting as much effort into them as I would. If not, I'd be putting in more. As for the E36, we're gonna try and pump out everything that we have left for it, which is our cooling, our brakes, and our bodywork, which have been the things that I've kind of been stressed out on working out, because that's kind of the things I can't really mess up on. So we're gonna try and get everything that's done left on the E36 so we can put all of our focus and attention into the new project that'll be coming onto the channel. Now, if you guys seen the previous videos, you guys will already know what I'm talking about. But if you haven't, please be sure to watch. I'm not gonna say which video it's in because your boy's gotta get his views up. But yeah, that's what you guys should be expecting for within the next couple of weeks. So without further ado, I'll let you guys get to the rest of the video.
Guy shanked his arm. No, it went through the center hole and fucking nailed me. I hate your car now.
What the fuck? You think yours is gonna be easier?
Mr. Engine Swap.
Yeah. I'm gonna hate the hell out of your car, man.
Yeah, you're right, What topic is that? That should be good, actually. Yeah, it drains like if 3 liters, then you just put together the back end. Well, Josh is an expert at draining the tank, so that just...
I got you, man. I'm never gonna live that down.
Yeah, I might drain the oil. And then hit that bottom.
Let me just grease your door hinges real quickly and eliminate the squeak.
Did I?
See that, man? Squeak free. Waterproof. You heard it before? These aren't studded tires, right? Why is there a nail in that one?
Huh? Oh shit. Come on.
Straight nail. How's it even holding it there? It's like perfectly in there.
God
usually.
damn it.
I was like, are these studded?
Yeah.
That's
At least
super
it's
funny.
holding it there, man. It's not leaking. It shit's
I with it.
New studded tires on the budget.
DIY studded tires.
God damn it. Can't park on the street.
Oh yeah, that looks nice, man.
What do you mean by that?
swapping over that little dashboard thingy in here so it fits. Camera's memory card's full again.
Your phone too.
Since we snapped nearly all of our push rivets out of the front bumper, I went ahead to Lowe's and I copped about 8. I'm hoping that'll be enough. Really? Come on. Black on 2 of them. Hopefully these ones even fit. So it's not much, but I managed to get 4 of these push rivets in. Should do the trick. Yeah. Now let's get the rest of these plastic pieces on, and I'll show you what we got for the back. Definitely probably noticed, but this left side is a lot more smokier than the right one. That is not on purpose. And since everybody I know has had something to say about it, I thought I might give it another shot. And I was watching Jimmy Oak's last video, and he said that this stuff really handles all the shit that's on there. So, sick one. Let's put it to the test. If y'all want to sponsor me, that'd be great. Start things off quite clean. See, like, it's got potential. Just about that much, I think. If this doesn't work, blame Jimmy Oaks. Very tired. I'm gonna cut it from this point on. I'll catch you guys back up when we have the finished product. Well, I think, hell yeah. Alright. That definitely did the trick. Thank you, Jimmy O. I forgot to show the installation for the diffuser. My bad for the video feeling a little bit rushed. I was just tired of sitting on this content and I just wanted to give it to you guys. But from here on out, the videos will be a lot better, I promise. And I give you guys full permission to come at my head if I don't upload on time. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you haven't already, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share the video. It would mean the world to me. And if you guys can get this video to 20 likes, I'll actually drop the next video within the next hour. I figure it's time we start shooting for some goals. Anyways, I'll see ya. But yeah, we're gonna try and get all of that done up and that. Holy shit.